Welcome back. Now, when you purchase Microsoft PowerPoint through Microsoft Office, you will have access to OneDrive, which is your storage facility in the cloud with a limited amount of storage. This will allow you to share and collaborate on specific PowerPoint presentations with others. And so to do that, you'll go all the way to the right-hand corner here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click the Share button. What will happen is that Microsoft will give you the opportunity to share your document and to save it to your OneDrive. You'll be asked to name your document. You'll then click OK. Now, once the document has been uploaded to your OneDrive, you can then begin to invite people to the document. You can then determine which rights that the person will have. You can either have it so that they can only view or that they can edit also. And then what you'll do is you'll then click the Share link. That person will then get an email stating that they can then view this document in their own OneDrive. This will allow them to be able to collaborate with you and work on the same document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.